Hi, this is Transmedic Transmissions in Gresham, Oregon. Today we've got an 01 Ford F350. Came into us, it's got a few issues. Let's start from the top. So one of the complaints was doesn't want to go into park easy. One thing with these old Fords, you'll notice the shifter lever really loose. Underneath the dash, there's two Torx heads that come loose, and it'll cause that slop right there. But it really doesn't want to go out into park, and it doesn't want to start in park either. So we're going to check this one out first. See, turning the key, no start. Well, one thing to always try, if it's not starting, hit it into neutral and see if it'll start. Nothing there either. But what I realized is that the linkage is completely off, so you kind of get it into reverse position. And that's actually where neutral is, given how sloppy the linkage and or the column and shifter lever is. So that's a way you can get it started if it is the linkage and it's just off of adjustment, even though you think it's in reverse. The neutral safety switch is only going to allow it to start in park and in neutral if it's working appropriately. This one is just totally out of adjustment, so we're actually in neutral right now, even though on the dash it says we're in reverse. Okay, so this is going to be drive, and one of the problems that it came in with is it's slipping. So you can see right there it had a delay. Let's get it back a little bit. Slipping from takeoff. It takes a few minutes, but if we wait here a second, it's basically going to slip out and not want to move anywhere. Okay, so let's go check the transmission fluid. Just check the lifeblood of the vehicle or of the tranny. Now, tranny fluid should be bright red and clear. This right here, it's a little hard to see, but is completely brown, black, burnt. That just means it is burnt, full of clutch and junk, and that is a sign of internal transmission failure or complete lack of servicing of the vehicle. So this, unfortunately, I didn't take you on my full test drive, but is in need of a tranny or a transmission rebuild. So we will present those options to the customer and some other options to help them fix the linkage.